Good morning, my dear kids. Today our lesson is 10 and 1. In our previous lessons too, we gained some knowledge about how to work with 10 and 1. That means how do we add 10 to any given number and how do we deduct 10 from any given number as well as 1. Today we are going to revise our previous lesson and do the activity. Let's go. Look at this. Here, first I am going to counting 10. I want to count by 10. I have some. First look at this. I have a column and here there are some numbers and also there are some blanks. Look at this. 5, 15, blank, again blank, again blank, and 55, 65, blank, again there is a blank, and it has ended with 95. Now we are going to count by 10 and fill this blank. Let's see how it happens. Here we have 5, so we should add 10 more to 5 to get the number what should come here. 5 plus 10, it is equal 15. So I have written 15 here. Now to find the answer for this blank, we should add 10 more to this 50. 15 plus 10. 5 plus 0, it is 5. And 1 plus 1, it is 2. 15 plus 10 is equal 25. So the answer which should come here is 25. And there is another method to find the answers in an easy way. For that we can use, what is this? This is 100 square. Can you remember that we used this in our previous lesson? Yes, likewise we can use this 100 square too to find the answer. It is very easy to counting in 10. Let's see how it happens. Now first I need 5. I will put a mark on number 5. I will change its color. Here this is 5. Now I want to add 10 more to this 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will mark this also in red. And again, I need to add 10 more to find the answer here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I got the answer, it's 25. Now again I need to add 1 more 10 to find the answer which should come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the next one. Here, what is the answer for here? It's 35. And now I want to find the answer which should come here. After 35, I want to add 1 more 10 to 35 and find the answer. So I will count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? It is 45. And here I have got 55 and 65 as my answers. Now here I want to find 65 plus 10. What is the answer? So I will mark 65 on my 100 square. And I will count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 10th number. What is it? It is 75. Here now again I want the answer. 75 plus 10. 75 plus 10. I want to find the answer. What is it? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 75 plus 10. It is 85. Let's check whether I have written correct answers. Here it should come 85 plus 10. Let's see whether I have done it correctly. 85 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? It is 95. That means we have done it correctly. Here the book has given 95 as the answer for here. Okay, let's move to another example. Look at this. Here I have, first I have a blank. Oh, then numbers are there and some blanks also there. First we should find the answer which should come to the first blank. But first of all, we'll mark the given number on a 100 square. What is it? 70. Where is 70 now? Here it is. I will mark it. And now here we are counting 10. 10 front or 10 backward. Maybe it is 10 forward. Or if we need to find previous number, we should count 10 backward. Now here we have to count 10 backward because the first number is missing. Okay, let's start counting backward to find the first number. Why we are counting backward? We should find the previous number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we got the answer. What is it? It is 7. Let's see. 7 plus 10 is equal 17. And 17 plus 10 is equal 27. Here 27 plus 10. Let's find the answer. 27 plus 10. So we should count 10 forward. Now we are going to find the next number. 1, 2, here it is. It has given 27. From 27 we are going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the number? It is 37. 27 plus 10 is equal 37. Now here it should come 37 plus 10 is equal, book has given it is 47. Now we should find the answer 47 plus 10. 47 plus 10. So we'll mark 47 here and we'll start counting from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the next number? It is 57. 47 plus 10 is equal 57. Now here we should do 57 plus 10 is equal 67 because book has given that. And this also 67 plus 10 is equal 77. That of course they have given. Now here we should find the answer for this blank. It is 77 plus 10. So we'll mark 77 on our 100 square and Let's find the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the answer for that. What is it? 77 plus 10 is equals 87. What is the answer? That is 87. Now here we should add 87 and 10 to get the answer here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? It is 97. The answer is 97. Now here I have one more example, and after I completing this I will send you. Then you should do this alone with 100 pair. Right here, this is for you all to do, right? I am not going to do this. You should do this alone after watching my video. You should ask your parents to copy this for you and you can do this. I will move to next one. Here it is, more and less. Here we are going to find the numbers. What is more to a given number or what is less to the given number. Here I have got 55. Now I am going to find 10 less to 55, 10 more to 55 and 1 less to 55 as well as 1 more to 55. Let's see how we are going to do this. First we should mark the given number on our 100 square. What is the given number? It is 55. Here it is 55. I have marked it. Now I want to find the number. What is 10 number before 55? That means 10 less 55. The number what is 10 less to 55? So I should count backward. To find the less number, we should count backward. Here it is 10. So I should count 10 backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the answer. What is the answer? 55 minus 10 is equal 45. So here it should come. The answer is 45. And now here I should find the number what is more 10 more to 55. I should find the number what is 10 more to 55. That means 55 plus 10. Here I have mentioned that I should find the answer 55 plus 10 to fill the blank here. Let's see. Here 55 I have already marked on my 100 square. So I'm going to count forward to find the number what is 10 more to 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the number what is 10 more to 55. What is it? It is 65. It is 65. Now here to fill this blank, I should find the number what is 1 more to 55 and 1 less to 55. So I have marked 55 on my 100 square. First I will count 1 forward to find the number what is one more to 55. Here, 55. I should count one more. One. When I jump one, I got the answer. It is, what is the answer? It is 56. The answer is 56. So I will write here 56. And here I should find the number what is 1 less to 55. 1 less. To find the number what is less to given number, we should count backward. Backward. 55 I have already marked on my 100 square. Now I am going to count 1 backward. Because I need to find the number what is 1 less to 55. So only 1. 1. When I count 1 backward, I got the answer. It is, what is the answer? Here we have 55 and I will count 1 backward. 55, 1. The answer is, what is the answer? It is 54. Think it may clear for you all, and we'll do another example. Here, for this of course I need 100 square and the sum is there. And I have the number 28. 28 is the given number and I should find 10 more to 28 and 10 less to 28 as well as 1 more to 28 and 1 less to 28. Let's do. First we should mark the given number on our 100 square. It's 28. So I will mark here 28. Now I'm going to find the number what is 10 more to 28. So I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the number what is 10 more to 28. What is it? It is 38. And here I should find the number what is 10 less to 28. I have marked 28. To find the less number, we should count backward. Now here we should count 10 backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? It is 18. 18 is the number which is 10 less to 28. And now here I am going to find the answer for here. For this, I need to count 1 more. 1 more to 28. We should add 1 more to 28. Here 28, 1. I am counting forward because we are going to find the number what is 1 more. 28, 1. The answer is 29. Here we write 29. So the answer which should come here is 29. And also here We should find the number what is 1 less to 28. 1 less. To find the less number, we should count backward. So from 28, I will count 1 backward. 28, 1. Oh, we got the answer. It is 27. The answer is 27. So here I will write 27. Now here you have to do this example alone. You should copy this in your book and you can do this alone with the help of 100 square. And also today our homework is you should complete page number 28 and 29 in your Abacus Year 2 Workbook 1. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you for listening.